Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest. In this video, we are going to unbox and give you a quick hands-on overview of the third generation Google Chromecast or the Chromecast 3. Without further ado, let's get started. Opening the box, the first thing we get is the Chromecast itself. Then we have a wall brick which is used to power it. Then we have a long micro USB cable for powering the Chromecast device, and there is some documentation in the box. The Chromecast has a really nice and compact footprint. For ports, it gets a micro USB port to power the device, and there is a physical reset button to manually reset the Chromecast. It has a nice soft plastic feel to it and really small Google logo that blends really well on it. The product is made up of good quality plastic material. Setting up the new Chromecast is quite easy. All you need to do is install the Google Home app, plug in the Chromecast device, power it up, and on the TV screen you will find setup instructions which are easy to follow. You can also use your TV's USB port to power the Chromecast and do not need to use the power brick. Once connected, you will be able to stream 1080p content with up to 60 frames per second with a host of Indian and international streaming platforms like Hotstar, Netflix, Hungama, and YouTube, to name a few. The new Chromecast supports dual band Wi-Fi at 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, which translates to better signal strength and better connectivity. Depending on your internet speed, Chromecast might be able to support Google's Project Stream in future. Keeping in mind that this is just our opinion as how Project Stream will integrate into Google ecosystem devices. The new Chromecast will keep you glued for long thanks to the selection of native and third-party applications like YouTube, Sony Live, Hook, etc. Its integration with other devices like Google Home, Google Wi-Fi makes it a great streaming option if you are already invested in Google's ecosystem products. Overall, in my opinion, it's a good product to convert your old non-smart TV into a streaming machine. It works seamlessly with Google Assistant. These are our thoughts about the new Chromecast. What are your thoughts? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, stay subscribed for more videos, and press that bell icon to get the latest video notifications whenever we upload a new video. This is all we have on this video. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Have a good day.